Oh, can you read this one, Cinta?
Quit chatting. Wink.
Again? Rick.
Rick.
Very good. Quit chatting, Rick. Okay, two boxes for you. 1, 2. Read this one.
I can hear a tongue.
Again?
A duck.
Very good. I can hear a duck. You're gonna write the rocket. Next one.
Quack. Quack. Quack.
Very good.
Quack.
Quack, quack, quack. Good job. Another two boxes for you. 1, 2. Read this one.
Yes, I can hear a duck too.
Very good. Yes, I can hear a duck too. Another two boxes for you. Read this one.
It's under the bed ring.
Rick. Okay, it is under the bed, Rick. Two boxes for Chinta. Next one. Read this one.
The duck is under the bed.
Very good. The dog is under the bed. Another two boxes. 1, 2. Read this one.
Quick, get the duck.
Quick, get the duck. Another two boxes. Can you read this one?
I can dig.
I can't dig. Okay, write the rocket. Read this one.
I can't get the duck.
I can't get the duck. Okay, you've reached the star. Good job. All right, we're gonna